In this first video, we are going to make the draft of our body bulb. These are the views which are going to use two local views and a principal cut view. We will use a template from a TFT draft file. With the bit user, we are going to introduce the first view, the front view, in a suitable location in the draft. Once we have picked the first view, the principal tool is automatically selected. When we obtain another view, with the select tool, we are going to rearrange the views to more suitable position. Well, the next step is to eliminate the part we don't want to be seen in the view. First, by reducing the contour of the view itself, and with the Hide Edge tool, we are going to hide the contour lines that we don't want to show. Well, the hidden lines of the inner view, we are going to deselect by Properties of the view. In the tab Display, we tick off the hidden lines. Well, now we have local view. The next step is to reduce the lateral view, switch off the hidden lines, and to eliminate the part we don't want to show. In this case, we have to draw in view because we need to set the center lines for the holes in the flange. First, we put the center line of the flange, and now the center line of the holes in the flange, which is a circle of center line. Once done this, we reduce to a half the view, and with the Hide Edge tool, we are going to hide the rest of the contour. Once we have eliminated all the non-desired edge, we move this new local view and make a zoom. Next step is to make a breakout section in the front view. We are going to use a rectangle but 2 points to select the half of the view. We close the profile and we indicate the dip of the breakout section in the other view. We select the front view as the destination view for the cutoff, and now we have to do another breakout section for the holes in the flange, because with our principal breakout section we don't have vision of the deepness of the hole. We are going to use an ellipsoidal profile to make the breakout section, which is curved but soft curve. We close the profile and we indicate the deepness in the local view in the right, the central point, and the destination view is again the front view. Well, we test that we have correctly realized the breakout section, and now we have to switch off the hidden lines in the front view. Well, we need to make another small step. First, to eliminate the edge that the breakout section had made, but we don't want to show. Also, the bottom of the thread hole are not in a correct way. We need to eliminate them. Now that we have cleaned up our view, we need to set the center lines. First, we are going to draw the center lines of the hexagonal view. We use the center line tool. Note that in two lines mode. So we are going to obtain a short vertical center line. We change to 2 points mode to obtain a horizontal line from the two sides of the hexagon. With the select tool, we select the first center line and correct its length to lengthen them. Well, now we follow with 2 points mode to make the center lines of the front view. From the midpoint one side to the midpoint in the other side. For the breakup of the holes of the flange, we are going to use 2 lines mode. With this, we have finished this first video. When we have the view and all their center line. In the next video, we will set all the dimensions for the draft.